Baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark. Hey guys, what's going on? So I'm out here with this HGLRC Drashark, although the box says baby shark, so I don't know what they were going for here, but I think you can figure it out. Anyway, so this is a one-cell drone. We've got these little 1002 21,000 kV motors. We've actually got a good connector on this, and let me call that to your attention. This is the GNB A30 connector. This is actually a pretty new connector on the market. Now they say you can't plug a BT 2.0 battery, so if you got some of these lying around, like beta FPV batteries, they say you can't plug it in, but guess what? You can plug it in. It works just fine. So you can use BT 2.0 connectors with the A30 battery. No problem whatsoever. So the Shark canopy actually comes off pretty well. There's this little knurled bolt on there that the Shark is plugged into, and you can just lift the top to reveal the flight controller, so it's pretty easy to work on. As you can see, we have an ELRS, ExpressLRS flight controller. It's SPI receiver. It's not an onboard UART or dedicated UART, and it uses the ceramic antenna. So you're gonna get really good range with this micro. So the weight of the DRA Shark before you put a battery on is 30 grams, and that is a little heavy, but that is also to be expected because you've got the Shark canopy. But how does it fly? So we're gonna find out. We're gonna fly it here at this little park. This is a quiet build, perfect for flying at a park like this. I do wanna see something. Sometimes I struggle to use turtle mode in the grass, but due to this big Shark canopy, I think it's probably gonna be a little easier. Oh, wow, you can. Yeah, you've got, okay, so it's got enough that if it's in grass, it can, you know, that big shark head helps it to get up. Oh, can I get out of the grass though? It's tough to get out. So yeah, even though you might have a better chance of being able to right yourself with turtle mode in the grass with this, you still might end up having the same problem of flying away because the blades will get stuck in the grass when it flips over. So I would say that this canopy is probably not gonna help you much there. Now, I just wanna show you guys how quiet this thing is. Okay, I'm gonna hold it close to me. You hear that? It's very, very quiet. All right, so let's put it in the air and go for a flight. I'm pushing it a lot harder now, as far as the throttle. Fly all the way back in here. All around. Just kind of go around the baseball field. This thing is so quiet, nobody even knows that I'm flying it. Look at that. Huh? Yeah, I'm telling you, I'm really happy with the performance of the video transmitter. I mean, this thing is working pretty good. So all the way back in here, can we go through here? Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Let's go through here. Oh, can we make it through here? Is there anyone in here? No. Let's go right through. Oh, a little scratchy there, but I mean, this is pretty good. Oh, I almost got stuck on the roof there. I'm starting to get used to this thing. I think second pack was better than the first pack. Got me warmed up. Yeah, So just about like 2 minutes 30, if you're giving it some decent throttle, is what you're probably gonna expect from this guy. Oh, yeah. All right, so that's it. We're gonna call it at like 245 because this battery's down to like 3.26 as it is. Look how quiet it is. I mean, this is just a really friendly park flyer. Handling is pretty good too. That was smooth. I like to do an inverted yaw spin to kind of test that out and see how that performs. So we'll do that. It's a little windy actually at the moment. You can't hear it. Oh, look at that. That worked pretty well. Doing another inverted yaw. Nice. Oh, I just clipped something. I'm gonna fly behind this tree. Ah, decent video reception. Flying behind the tree. Let's fly through here. Again, oh wow, maintaining video reception. So I'd say the thing has a pretty decent, listen, it's got a decent video transmitter on it. I'm flying all back in here. Yeah, this is working pretty well. In fact, I usually have a little bit of trouble flying behind this structure here that I'm sitting, but yeah, it's working pretty good. Ooh, I really don't want to crash in here. The sand would be awful for the motors. Yeah, I'm feeling like I feel like this thing has some pretty decent enough power. Oh. Say hi. Ooh. Yeah, so far, I'm getting like about 3 minutes of solid flight time. I would say 3 minutes is probably going to be your solid flight time, 2 minutes, 30 seconds if you push it really hard. All right, that's it, guys. That is the look at the HGLRC Drashark Baby Shark. Hope you enjoyed the review. Let me know if you guys have any questions. And as always, you have a great day. I'm going to go do some flying, and you guys take care.